Dermatude, the facelift alternative. The anti-aging concept for 100% natural skin rejuvenation and skin improvement. Dermatude Meta Therapy fills in the gaps between beauty treatment and cosmetic surgery. With the patented treatment module, the mechanical Meta-therapy treatment stimulates collagen and elastin production and improves the overall condition of the skin. Fine lines and wrinkles reduce, pores become finer, skin becomes firmer and regains its elasticity. A salon treatment with results on the level of cosmetic surgery. A total concept, the best-kept secret of celebrities. Leading institutes worldwide consider Meta Therapy as effective and safe. The company's global headquarters is located in the Netherlands, Europe. The U.S. headquarters is located in Orlando, Florida. Successful in each country where distributed.
With Dermatude, you can let your skin think that aging is a thing of the past.
Dermatude Meta Therapy has a very unique way of treating our skin.
I instantly fell in love with the anti-aging concept.
The result is very interesting because it's a natural result.
The results are real, and you see it after the first treatment. People are happy.
It really plumps the skin like nothing else.
Dermatude Meta Therapy is definitely 100% safe, natural, effective for the consumer.
More and more consumers are looking for non-invasive, anti-aging, and organic or natural results. Dermatude offers that.
Patients are satisfied because it's painless, natural, and on a long term we can achieve better results.
Dermatude gives you the choice to look younger.
Beauty salons should choose Dermatude because it's really that kind of solution that brings great results, but also without downtime, so that people don't need to suffer for gaining great results.
It doesn't just rejuvenate the skin by simply boosting collagen, but it also reverse aging at a cellular level, which ensure longer lasting results for everyone.
My honest opinion of the results is fantastic. It's real. You can see the results immediately. You can see the radiance, the hydrating feel and glow in your skin instantly.
Those results are just amazing.
What we see as the biggest advantage about Dermatude Meta Therapy is that it is a complete concept promising amazing results.
Basically, with a starter set, you get a business in a box. What more could you wish for as a business? It delivers for you.
A business should choose Meta Therapy because it works.
It's very, very good, very nice. I like it.
I choose for Dermatude because it's an easy implement concept. Dermatude is really investing in good collaboration with their distributors.
We simply love Dermatude. Join Dermatude and be a part of a worldwide success. That's our advice.